Hello, I just wanted to show you some of the prep work that I am doing for foods that we will have for this week. So right over here, I have some chicken, a whole chicken, and I use some bacon fat and along with some salt, some paprika, black pepper, and some oregano, and we're just going to bake this chicken. And then over here, I have some chicken thighs, and I use this jerk seasoning right here. So we're going to let this sit for a few days, and I'm either going to smoke it or pop it in the oven, depending on how I'm feeling that particular day. And then over here, we have some lamb, which I use this seasoning salt for, and we again, either in the oven or in the smoker. Not quite sure yet. When the day comes, I'll decide. And then over here, I have some beef soup bones. And if you look in the description box, I kind of go into detail. I have a video that shows like how I make broth with this, and then I end up using some of the meat. I'll shred it and use it for another meal. But this is really good to just have broth, on hand in my freezer for when I want to use it for cooking or just for drinking throughout the colder months and even in the summer. So for me, I'll just be eating the meats, but then I'll make some additional sides for my family. Now, the only thing that's not out here that I'll also be doing this week is I'll make some salmon, and then I'll also make some sardine patties as well for another meal. So here we go. All right, be blessed.